Hello dear kids, I am Dhvani Patel and today we are going to learn about a new topic, important latitudes and heat zone of the earth. Last lecture we had studied about what are latitude, what is globe, what is axis, what is equator. So let's start with a new topic called as important latitudes and heat zone of the earth. When you look at this picture, it will be quite clear for you to understand what are the important latitudes before we start with the topic, the heat zone of our earth. So let us understand what are the important latitudes. In my last class, we have already spoke one of the important latitudes is equator, which is 0 degree and which divides the earth into northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Another important latitude which we find on our earth is the Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degree north. The next is Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south. Then we have the Arctic Circle, which is 66.5 degree north, because it is in the north direction. We denote it by the letter N because it is in the north. Whereas the Tropic of Capricorn is in the 23.5 degree which hemisphere in the southern. So we denote it by the symbol S. Simple. The next important latitude which we have is Antarctic Circle, which is 66.5 degree south. So what are the important latitude? If you have a question, it's a very simple answer, my dear children. It is equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, the Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Now you are clear what are the five important latitudes. Now let us understand what are the different zones on our earth. What are the different climatic zones? Our whole world is experiencing a different climate. So what is the reason behind it? There are three major zones. For example, let us start with the torrid zone. Now you must be thinking, teacher, what is torrid zone? Which is also known as a tropical zone. So let us learn first the basic thinking. ये torrid zone है कहाँ पे? So if you see the slanting line white color between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is a torrid zone. Is it here? Where is the torrid zone located, children? It is between the 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south. Do you know this Tropic of Cancer line passes through our country, India? Okay, this is the one point I wanted to tell you. Okay, so where is a torrid zone we found out? It is found between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Why it is called torrid zone? Now you must be having a question. इसे torrid zone क्यों कहते हैं? Because this is the area where the sun rays is found maximum. ये ऐसी एरिया है जहाँ पे सन की रेस मैक्सिमम पाई जाती है और इस एरिया में ज़्यादा हीट होने की वजह से इसे यहाँ पे गर्मी बहुत होती है, यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर हाई होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल इंडोनेशिया और श्रीलंका में तो बारिश भी होती है. अब सोचो कि बारिश क्यों होती है? गर्मी की वजह से क्लाउड फॉर्म होता है और क्लाउड की वजह से बारिश होती है. तो टुडे वी विल अंडरस्टैंड what is something about torrid zone. So very simple, it is between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This area receives the vertical rays of the sun. Sun की rays जो है वो directly Tropic of Cancer के ऊपर और torrid zone में गिरती है. If you see this, so that is the reason why it is known as the hot zone or tropical zone. I hope you are done with the topic torrid zone. Then we have the another zone with the pink color dots. If you see, that is your temperate zone. Now where is the temperate zone? Before we understand temperate zone, there are two temperate zones. One in the northern hemisphere and one in the southern. So the temperate zone is divided into two parts, northern temperate zone and southern temperate zone. So if you look at the diagram, it is very simple. The torrid zone, temperate zone starts from 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north in the Arctic Circle. So I can say the north temperate zone is from the Tropic of Cancer till the Arctic Circle. I hope it is very simple for you to understand where is the temperate zone, northern temperate zone. Where is the southern temperate zone? It is from the Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south till the Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south. So we have understood where is the temperate zone, which areas are known as the temperate zone. Now this is the area we find it very convenient to say. आप सोच लोगे टीचर कन्वीनियंट क्यों यहाँ पे टोरिड रीजन में एक्सट्रीम हीट होती है, उस वजह से इक्वेटर के आजू बाजू में जो एरिया है ट्रॉपिक और कैंसर और ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न, वहाँ पे सन की रेज ज्यादा पाई जाती है उस एरिया में। वेरेज जो ये टेम्परेट रीजन है, यहाँ पे जो सन की रेज होती है वो स्लांटिंग होती है, बिकॉज द रेज आर स्लांटिंग, द रेज ऑफ द सन गोज ऑन डिक्रीजिंग। जैसे रेज ऊपर जाती है वैसे सन की रेज ऊपर पोल तक पहुंच पाती नहीं है, तो इस एरिया में जो सनलाइट रिसीव होती है वो ज्यादा नहीं होती है, वो मीडियम होती है एज सिंपल। सो दिस एरिया डज नॉट रिसीव वेरी हाई और वेरी लो, इट रिसीव्स द मॉडरेट टाइप्स ऑफ sun rays. So this region is very beautiful for you to stay. For example, you can say North America, and there are many regions. Okay, so we have understood what is temperate region. Now that is a frigid zone. Frigid zone को हम जो ये आर्टिक सर्कल से लेके नॉर्थ पोल तक जो एरिया है, and from the Antarctic Circle till the South Pole, this area is the frigid zone. Now why it is called frigid? Frigid means where you get very cool, where the climate is extreme cold, because the sun rays is not able to reach the extreme slanting rays of the sun, and because of that this area experiences a very cold climate. So I hope you have understood today's class about the important latitudes. I may repeat, the important latitudes are the equator, the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, the Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Then we today studied what are the important three zones. It is torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. The temperate zone is divided into two parts. It was the north temperate zone and the southern temperate zone. Then we studied what is the frigid zone, from the Arctic Circle to the North Pole and from the Antarctic Circle to the South Pole where the climate is cold, and then we understood today which area receives the maximum heat. I hope you have understood my class. Thank you.